Hello everyone, Hatam for Projection back again with the news as always never promised. Today I have funny mood. I want to show you, this is the called mobile air condition, okay? I want to try this. Guys, I can buy normal air condition, okay? Just the problem, I don't want to dig in wall. Put here, dig in wall, and now this new technologies of mobile air conditions start, not noisy and same cooling like normal one, and you can carry it with you anytime. For example, sometimes I will go somewhere to my another home or something like this, so I can take it with me and put it there and enjoy my life. But this one, if you dig it here, how I'll take it with me? Anyway guys, let's look. This one they call it Neoclima. I never tried, okay, I'll be honest with you. Let me try this. It's cost just like $350, something like this, so it's not expensive, okay? Let's see. This is, by the way, this is Norwegian company, okay? Let's see what we have here. This is the catalog. This is nothing. This is how to do, how to connect it. Okay, this is how to through the paper. This is how it's economic. By the way, guys, it's just, I guess it's just 1 ampere. More economic in electric than the normal one that you can dig it to in wall. The other one looks like almost 3 ampere, something like this, which is mean this one more economic by 3 times. We have the remote control. We have all modes here, and this is what I adore, Let's turn it on now. This will turn on. Okay. This is tab for, oh god, why they put it like this? It should be, see? They fuck it. Anyway, this tab for put out water, You can put it in grease if you have it, to feel it. Economic. Oh, what's this? Spikes? I don't know what is this. Maybe for holding the tab, I guess. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jungle land. Okay, guys. Here we have this. This is for, to put it in window. I already create this shit, you know why? I don't have time to create this network and do... I will just put a tab directly outside and just... Summer is not too long here in this country, Also, this one to put it here, you got me? I will connect it and I will show you another video. This is the tab. Obana. Okay, this is the tab for the. Let's put out the baby. Oh my god! This is need real power to put out. Okay. So I put out it now from box. This is how it looks like. Guys, it's. By the way, I carried by myself 7 floors. What it came, baby! Okay, this one, I guess it's like 20 kilo minimum. Here how it looks like. Look, this is filter for him from behind. This is should clean this filter every time by time, okay? Okay. Here you will connect the tap to put out the hot air. Here for water, you connect the tab that we show now. And here, so, here or here, I don't know. I need to see the catalog, honestly. Let's see. Quick view. Oh, here for water also. No, here is for water. So here is for put out water. This and this, I don't know what is this actually. I need to check catalog. What is this exactly? Okay, let's. Why cable is so short like this? Why don't they make it more shorter than this? Wow, cheap acting. Why do you make it more longer than this? Welcome, baby. Actually, guys, I tried in shop. It's refrigerator. It's so nice. I mean, I tried it. It's covering 30 meters square, which is mean our room is 35. It will cover room and the other room also. Here I can do it through remote or I can do it here. Let's open. Here's the mood. Okay, he start to open. He is opening now, as you see. And now it start cooling. Okay, see it's here out from here. It's not that noisy, you know. Normal, not noisy. It's sound like double fridge, for example. Okay, really, it's really cool, and I still not make it, you know. Let's see. 17, minimum is 17. So guys, this is how it looks like. Okay, now he will close. To be honest with you, it's so beautiful and so enough. Okay, and even shape is normal. Okay, you connect it. You can do timer. He have fan. Okay, and everything as you see. It's not bad. There is another filter, I guess, here. You can clean it. So guys, this is all I can tell you about the air condition. Try it. You will not lose anything. It's nice. It's really, you can move it. Just don't. I advise you something. Okay, don't just buy the Chinese one that is cost nothing. You know, that cost $100. I mean, there's buy brand. For example, there's this one Norwegian. There's another one British. There's another one. What's his name? Kuban Hunter. I don't know what's his name. There is Zanossi. There's buy something brand. Any something brand should be enough for you. Better than sitting like me now, like a free sauna. So guys, thanks for watching. See you again with another videos with Hatawali for projection. Please don't forget to subscribe and put your thumbs down, and peace and love for everyone.